Hello guys, this is the Tech Mobile Phone Clinic. I'll be showing you guys how to increase the level of your WhatsApp security on an Android phone. The last video I did was on iOS, how to increase the level of your WhatsApp security on iOS. I've done that. Now I'll be talking about how to increase your level of security on your WhatsApp on an Android mobile phone. So the first thing is, most of us, we don't have a kind of screen lock for our WhatsApp. So now I'll be showing you guys that one, and I'll be showing you guys how to enable your two-step verification, which is your PIN and your email address. Now let me open my WhatsApp so we can quickly see how we can increase the level of our WhatsApp security. Now this is my WhatsApp here. I'm using WhatsApp Business, so I will be using this as an example. So I'm opening my WhatsApp Business now. You can see immediately I click on my WhatsApp Business, it's asking me for fingerprint. Now I'll input my finger on the sensor. Now you can see my WhatsApp is open now. It's even asking for two-step verification, you can see. So now I'll input my two-step verification. Now it's there already. So now if you did not enable the screen lock on your WhatsApp, now this is how you can enable the first level of security. Firstly, you see these three dots that is at the right top corner. Click on it. Now you see business tools, new group, new broadcast. Just go to settings, click on settings. So once you click on settings, locate account, click on account, then you see privacy security, click on privacy. Then scroll downward, you see what we call fingerprint lock. The last part, fingerprint lock. My fingerprint lock is enabled. That is why anytime I minimize my WhatsApp, immediately I want to open it back, it's going to ask for your fingerprint. Now I'll click on fingerprint. Now my own is enabled. Now let me disable it just to show you in case if yours is not enabled. Now I'm going back now. Now let's take for example, you can see I've disabled my fingerprint lock. You can see it shows that it's disabled. Now I want to enable it back. So click on the fingerprint lock, then click on enabled fingerprint. Now it's going to ask you to insert your finger on the sensor. So insert your finger on the sensor. I'm talking to people that has an Android phone that is using fingerprint. Because if your phone is not using fingerprint, you can't do this. So now it will ask you, do you want it to be locked immediately or after 1 minute? I'll prefer you select immediately or after 1 minute. After 30 minutes is not advisable. So it's either you select immediately or after 1 minute. Sure you get. So I've selected immediately, so it's highlighted already. So that's that. Now if I should mistakenly minimize this WhatsApp, it's going to ask for a fingerprint before I can access this WhatsApp. It's going to ask for a fingerprint. Now I've minimized it. You can see I've minimized it. Now I want to go back to the WhatsApp. Maybe I want to check a chat. You can see it's asking for a fingerprint. So I'm going to insert my finger on the sensor. So my WhatsApp is open now. Then the second level of security that we are going to talk about is the two-step verification, which we are conversant with. So you can see the three dots again. Click on it, go to settings again. Then this time you go to your account, then you see your two-step verification. You click on it. My own two-step verification is enabled, so let me disable mine just to show you how to enable your two-step verification. Now let me I've disabled mine. Now I'm going back again. Now click on account. I went back, that's why. So click on account, then you see two-step verification. Click on two-step verification, then you enabled your two-step verification. Then you are going to pick a pin that no one will know. I'm just using this as an example. That is how you could see my two-step verification. This is just an example. 3 4 5 6. It's asking me to confirm the pin. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now this part is necessary also. Make sure you input your email address, either Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, whatever email you have. Just input it. For example, insert your Gmail, your email on the bar there, on the box there. So the next thing you click is next. But me, I'm not going to click next. Are you getting me? So I'm going to skip mine. This is just an example. So once you inserted your own email, make sure you click the next button just to verify your pin and your email. Are you getting me? So now I'll be clicking on skip, but you should click on next. Are you getting me? So now you can see they said two-step verification is enabled. Now the only two-step verification that is enabled here is just the pin, not the email address. Are you getting me? The only pin I enabled, the two-step verification I enabled on my WhatsApp is the pin and the screen lock. That's 2. But if you should enable the two-step verification, the pin and the email, then the email and the screen lock that is enabled, which is the fingerprint. So we have 3 levels of security. So this is the way you can increase the level of your security, that hackers will not get will not have access to it. Rather, will not have easy access to your WhatsApp or details or whatever. So guys, if this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, thank you for watching. This is Tech on Wi-Fi Clinic.